Welcome, here I've got REALME Pad, and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard picture mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the right, so let me try to use them now to see how they works with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button so we can open camera settings, and here at the second place we have volume button action. When we tap on it, we can decide between volume, shutter, which is now, or zoom. So let me pick zoom to show you how it works different, and let's move back to camera. Now let me try to use volume buttons once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also move back, so I can use zoom now by tapping on volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.